Okay, it's filming.
Once upon a time, in a magical world of wonder, there was a cow, and this cow was magical. This cow had powers from beyond this world, and it could fly like a bird in the morning sun. Beautiful morning dove, and a rock hit it right out of the sky.
Now who are you passing it to?
Okay, and then out of nowhere, the clouds dispersed, and in came this UFO, and down came this beam that picked up this cow into the clouds.
And the alien on the ship said, "You cow." Go back.
Because the alien was on a secret quest to obtain the all-powerful pumpkin. No! All-powerful... No, because she sent the cow home. Sent the cow home.
The all-powerful...
The all-powerful... Is it tasteless to make a Billy Mays joke? I was gonna go all-powerful OxyClean and then all-powerful OxyClean. What's going on to you?
And then, out of nowhere, came this silver bullet. And it went flying. And then all of a sudden it stopped, and it went down on the ground, and it just sat there. And then people were waiting, is something going to come out of there? They didn't know.
What no one really knew was that there was a great lapse in time from when the alien sent the cow home, because really the alien had already probed the cow, searching for the all-powerful magical OxyClean.
But really, while searching for the all-powerful OxyClean, a fat dude in space was running, and he tripped and dropped it, and it was floating through endless space until it landed on Mars.
Can I take over? No. Wait.
And
Never mind.
who knew that on Mars, the all-powerful OxyClean was needed because people got really dirt in that red clay. They got really dirty. And OxyClean was the only thing that could possibly remove those horrible, nasty stains.
And because it will work. It will clean all the dirt off the people.
And because the Martians said so.
Oh, I don't know how to continue this, you guys. Okay.
And then Billy Mays went all...
No. So, they summoned the League of Extraordinary Cleaners to go. The all-powerful OxyClean. And so they searched and they traversed the galaxy on the back of a super clean lion.
This is what happens when nerds get out. The only thing that would make us better is LARPing. About how they had to save Iron Man because he tried to get it, but he rushed it.
I am Iron Man.
But we remember that the Hulk was eating too many donuts, and those abs went away on Mars, and so the OxyClean floated away from the Hulk.
And Billy Mays.
And then Billy Mays was all Chuck Norris and Roundhouse kicked the OxyClean.
Wait, were you saying that?
And the Martians were like, "What's wrong with you, fool?" And then they Mohawk grenaded him.
And then what, Mom?
I just don't know.
Hey, and then, out of nowhere, the A-Team showed up. And Mr. T was all like, "I'm pity the fool."
And then it happened. Global warming, twin powers, activate. Okay, I need to explain this one to you guys. We were talking about because we were making jokes about the people who were like, yeah, it's hot in here because of me and stuff. And so I was like, yeah, sorry about your global warming, Al Gore. That's the hold it, Al. Global warming twin powers activate. Form of dead polar bears. Shape of melted icebergs. And that was the story behind that.
Why are you pointing at me?
It's your turn. Are we just?
I know how to end this.
End
But
it,
then, look what it known that the powerful OxyClean spilled and it melted everything, and then Mars regenerated, and all the people in the core of Mars. And come to figure out, they had a huge beach and a wonderland and stuff, so they were breakdancing, and then one ripped, and then the world blew up.
The end. The end. Everybody clap.
And this one family got kicked out of IHOP.
Is that turn off your camera now, Kylie?
That would